Head and Shoulders Royal Oils Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir helps balance and restore scalp health, with regular use. Fresh, cooling leave-in formula invigorates scalp and soothes to provide instant scalp relief, no rinsing required. Great for protective styles, twists and locks. 24-hour scalp protection, when used as directed. Free of alcohol, sulfates, parabens and dyes. Contains no ethanol. Experience a breakthrough in scalp health with Head Shoulders Royal Oils Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir with menthol peppermint oil. This no-rinse, alcohol-free carrot formula is specifically designed for use in between washes to relieve itchy, dry scalp and is perfect for natural, relaxed, kinky and coily hair types. Infused with cooling menthol and peppermint oil, it is also free of sulfates, parabens and dyes. The formula soothes dry scalp on contact and provides all-day no-rinse scalp protection from itch and dryness. It is easy to use. Apply it directly to scalp up to 4 times daily to help balance and improve scalp health. Proudly recommended by my Black is Beautiful. With regular use, carrot contains no ethanol associated with dandruff. Use as directed. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. It works fantastically. I only had to use it once with the entire Royal Oils line. It got rid of my dandruff completely. I'm super stoked, happy about it.